Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV, just sitting in the garden here, waiting for Ashley. He's going to come and pick me up in a minute. So I'm going to have a cup of tea and hopefully the phone will go in a moment and he'll be coming to pick me up. We're off to Leicester to deliver a Rockwood. This is being bought for somebody that's doing a renovation, so they're planning on I think about 2 years living in it, which is ideal really. With all the views we get, no one presses that subscribe button, so it really helps us out to promote the channel. And I think later on, if we get more subscribers, we're going to set up some sort of donation thing. I think we probably will, to the lifeboat, so that's something we're going to work on. But I think as the subscriptions go up, we'll make a bit more money, and we genuinely do this. I think whatever we make off of YouTube, we'll donate to RLNI, whatever it is, the lifeboats. Alright, so keep watching the video. I say Ashley's going to pick me up in a moment and I'll show you one that's perfect for a self-build renovation, full-time living, occasional living, granny flat, the whole 9 yards really. So stay in tune, just carry on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Right, here we go. Ashley's arrived and we're going to get out on the road. So here's the rig, here's the Rockwood. I think Ashley's going to drive. I think the model is an 8289. So we're going to be towing this down off to Leicester. So we're going to tow it on our Dodge. We thought it was sort of a pretty nice ride out for it really. I think we got the air conditioning fixed. So we'll see how it goes. And Ashley's going to drive. Ain't you, Ashley? So that's it, we're going to get out on the road now. Do a bit of filming when we get there. Well, that's it folks, we're out on the road. So where are we going, Ashley?
So we're going up to Peterborough today. Drop a unit off.
What, this side? The other side? Where is it?
So it's just this side of Peterborough.
Yeah, so I've told the folks, this is one that the folks have actually bought for renovation and self-build or whatever they're doing, but we'll have a look when we get there. Yeah?
That's it. Sounds like a plan, doesn't it?
Do you reckon we got enough gas to get us there?
Well, we're just off red, so that should do. We'll have to have a little stop.
Everything's last minute with this setup, I tell you.
We'll have a little pit stop.
Yeah, alright then. So just keep watching. Speak to you soon. Right, we're at the destination, as you can see. Ashley's now going to come down here. This is quite a tight delivery, this one. So I'm going to have to make myself useful and find out where he wants me to stand. Right, hold it there. I'll have to go around and see exactly what he can see and where he wants me to stand. Hold the line. Ash, where do you want me to stand?
I'm right in the middle. Is there? Can I drive there? It's not a ditch.
A ditch? I'll see if I fall down it. Hold on. No, it looks like we're okay. Yeah, it drops off here. That's it. You're okay where you are. Yeah, where do you want me to stand? You're probably online with the rocks for the minute. You're just about going to clear them. If you go the other way now, that'll come round. It's a bit of a tight one, this one. Yeah. I'll go around and have a look on the other side as well. And as you see, this one's a little bit on the tight side. That's it, it's the wheels have just got to miss that wall. There's always something just in the way. If the wall weren't there, we'd be okay. Yeah, you're just going to miss them now. These sort of deliveries are never easy with the Dodge. If we have had the Nissan, it would have just gone in easy, but it's never easy with the Dodge. but we'll get it in there. Just a bit more pruning so we can swing it in there. It's pretty tight. As I say, if we had the Nissan it'd probably go in there. That's it. I got the customers on the go here. He's going to start cutting the tree down. Will he hit the wall? Right, hold on Ashley, you're right on the wall. Yeah, keep going and that'll probably come round. It can be much tighter.
Need a bit more off the tree.
No, that'll be alright.
Whoop, whoop.
Hold it there. Yeah, you're right. If you straighten the truck up, you'll miss the wall. That's it, just straighten the truck up a little bit. Yeah, that's going in. I possibly want to get out and have a look, Ashley. This is a tight delivery, that's for sure. That's going round there, lovely, but I don't know whether we'll... The plot thickens with the delivery. This is not an easy one. As I say, if we had a much smaller truck, we'd be laughing. So we'll get in as far as we can. Here we go, another little go. Yeah, I think you got the right. I think we'll end up knocking the wall off. We'll soon put it back, can't we? Eh? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see how he gets on there, otherwise we'll take the wall down. Let him see. He's a good old driver, Ashley. I don't think I'd like to have a go at it. Right, you're alright. Yeah, you got Ashley, you got about that much. They don't get much tighter than this. Now, believe it or not, we've got it in there. We've had to take a little bit of bush out, but we've actually got the truck in and the trailer, and that is going to sit there. We'll unhook it and get everything out. Not bad. Right, the plot thickens. We get all the slides and everything else out and level it up. This is what we're going to do, level it up, like Ashley's doing with the bits of wood, just to get it level side to side. Think that will level it up, Ashley, yeah? Hey?
To go up onto that should be fine.
Yeah?
You just seam onto that.
Yeah, alright, let's just get them up onto them bits of wood. Just give you some tips here. Cut the bits of wood and that will level it up. Right, let's just go forward a little bit and a little square. Whoa! Whoa! That's it. That's on them bits of wood, and that should level it up from side to side. What's that look like?
To be honest, quite good there.
Level on the old grass. This is going to be their accommodation whilst they're doing their build. I believe they're going up 2 stories on this one. Obviously a lovely plot. I think they're going to go up 2 levels with the bungalow, which is a brilliant idea. Adds value, makes a small bungalow, huge gardens, makes a small bungalow worth a lot of money. And this is what they bought just to have whilst they're doing their renovation. This is the advantage of these fifth wheels or anything with a slide, really. It just expands the living space and makes it easy to deliver, because, well, not easy to deliver, but easier I see the other side go out. Hold a second. There you go. That's the other side going out. That gives us much more space inside. We've got a wardrobe slide. Have a little look inside. There you go. You can see it all going out inside. Yeah, so it gives you good living space whilst you're doing the renovation. It's a lovely layout, this one. I put some new seats and bits and bobs in here for them. And we've got a little island kitchen. Everything you need, plug and play flat, perfect accommodation for everything. Living full time, the whole 9 yards. So there you go. Just get the legs off and then we'll get the truck off. See the legs extend and that takes the weight off the truck. As you probably know if you watched all the videos.
Just go up one on that one.
See, that's the bits coming off. Just take the pressure off the truck. We're getting that up. Let the brake away. Just leveling it. Get it all level.
Yeah, it's far off, isn't it?
No. Put the back legs down. There you go. There you go, folks. Another successful delivery. This was a tight one. So thanks for watching. If you got to the end of the channel, end of the video, well done. Big thanks from CCRV, and don't forget to subscribe. See us again in another video. Thanks for watching. There you go.